Morning guys, I'm Dave Canterbury with Self-Reliance Outfitters in the Pathfinder School. I was doing some research for a book that I'm in the middle of right now, looking for some cool ideas to put in the book that are bushcrafty, woodcrafty type things you could make around camp or things you could do for emergency repairs. And I found a photo of this tarp clip, emergency type tarp clip that you can bushcraft fairly quickly on Pinterest. And I thought, man, that is a really slick idea. Unfortunately with Pinterest, kind of chasing down who the originator of that post were is pretty difficult. I got pictures that are all over Pinterest that don't have my name anywhere on them. So you never know really who made this picture or who came up with this idea. I've never really seen this exact idea written down in any books, although I have seen in green woodworking books what they call a hand vise. And it's very much exactly the same used on a tarp as an emergency tarp clip. Stay with me and I'm going to show you how to make this real quick. Okay, so I thought I'd try to give you a close-up look at this thing and then we kind of reverse engineer it because it's really simple. What you've got is you've got a wedge in between another stick that you've split. So it's a very simple device. And I've just taken the rope to my tarp and slid it over the clip instead of putting it through the tie-out loop. So if I were to damage a tie-out loop or a grommet or something like that, I have a quick way of putting another clipping device on here that I've bushcrafted, and I can just slip that over the top and then take the wedge and put it in from the back and push it in as deep as I can, and that'll give me a good solid hold on the tarp to be able to pull the tarp out. So all we really did here was we took, I'll get this rope off of it, we took one stick that was about 3/4 of an inch to an inch in diameter. We split it in half, and then I just bullnosed the front end of it for looks, not really for function. I took another stick and put it in between and just lashed it together so that you've got a gap in between. And then we took another stick and we made a wedge out of it, and when you shove that in the back side like this, it forces this down. So you're taking advantage of a simple machine in that you've used a wedge to force this together to make that clip. And there again, I've seen similar things to this that were called hand vises in green woodworking manuals, but I've never seen anyone use it for the purpose of a tarp clip. And I thought that was really cool when I saw that on Instagram, or I'm sorry, not Instagram, but Pinterest the other night. So I thought I'd share it with you guys today.